If the pizza is sticky, get a little bit of flour right here with the spatula, little bit, and you go around. So with double ends, so we have to do the opposite of Neapolitan style. So we just, woo, nice. Wow, this is my favorite way to cook the meat. Outstanding. Woo. Welcome to the best pizza channel. Yes guys, today, vieni su, let's show the guys salsiccia, meat and rapini. Today I'm going to show you something very special. Welcome back from Maestro Vito Iacopelli. Thank you so much for being here and dedicating your time to me. Smash that like and subscribe right there. My helper right there, fai vedere. My helper, she's gonna eat the pizza for me. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, she is ready. We have a beast oven right here, and today I'm going to show you. Let's put this in the oven, and then we talk. Boom, voila. Let's put it in the oven, minimum flame, and I'm gonna cook that. Okay, guys, I just little accident. See, the pan gets on flame, so we have to change the pan really quick. So problem solving. Let's go ahead and let's change the pan. Voila, it's dump it right there. There we go. Let's go in the oven. Let's cook the meat first, and then I'm going to show you the pizza in a little bit once the meat is cooked. There we go, we are cooking the meat. Put this inside right there. Put it back in. And today I'm going to show you how this beast oven here will cook Bari style pizza. I'm gonna make a special for you today. It's about to be ready, and this pizza is made with some roasted meat, some rapini cooked slowly. This is a piece of garlic I'm gonna put on the side because we don't eat chunk of garlic, we eat the flavor, so we put it on the side. And we put that on the side, and now I'm going to show you a very different style of pizza. This is Bari style, thin crust, crunchy, and just wait, stay until the end, and just now, if you are not a subscriber, consider it to subscribe and smash that like. The meat is nice. Wow, this is my favorite way to cook the meat. Outstanding. Woo. Voila. And now let's put this on the side. Boom. Voila. Let me show you closely. Take a look, the sounds. Take a look of this. Woo! Outstanding sausage, veggie, chicken, everything is in there. Let's go ahead. So let's set up the oven at the minimum temperature and let's make this pizza. Okay guys, for this video we need a little bit of semolina. The same dough of Neapolitan style that you can see, but take a look. This is the same regular side. This is about 280 grams dough balls, and this is the Bari style. Bari style is 120 grams dough balls with the same dough. So let's go ahead and let's put this in the flour, just like that, to stretch. Clean up everything. The counter here needs to be nice and dry. Little bit of flour on the floor, couple of times in the flour, and upside down in the flour. So with double ends, so we have to do the opposite of Neapolitan style. So we just press the crust, we take off all the air. You are able to stretch this with your hands or roller pin. We use, in Bari it's typical to use a roller pin because with this we are going to take off all completely the air to the crust. That's why we are going to have a pizza nice and crunchy. So take off the flour, little bit of flour on top, and then with your roller pin you hold the pizza from here, and with the roller pin you go like that. Now again, flip it over, upside down as a cross, and now we hold it and we go just like this. Same thing like this again, couple of times, until you have about the size that you want, because Bari style we don't, once it's big, that's how it is on the PO. There we go, little bit bigger, and voila. So perfect. Take off all the flour. Like you can see, it's nice and strong because no air, so it's more strong. So now with your finger just make like this, voila, the pizza is perfectly ready. It's more easy for you at home is to be able to make it on the PO. Make sure don't put flour if the pizza is not sticky. So just like that, and now we're able to make the pizza on the PO. Little bit of olive oil on the floor. This is a typical pizza salsiccia e rapini in Bari. Parmesan cheese on all pizza, to put the rapini first, because this way they don't burn. Voila. Let's put the rapini. Nice. Those are fantastic, guys. A little bit of the cherry tomato that we put when we cook the rapini. Let's go ahead and let's put the fresh mozzarella on top of the pizza. Little bit of spicy olive oil, just a little bit, just a touch. This is my home plant, I'm gonna show you in a little bit. Crushed pepper on top, voila. Now, let's get, you remember, let's get the sausage. Wow, still hot. Woo! Woo! Still a little hot. Oh my god. Let's put it on the plate, this way it don't get burned. And then let's break the sausage on the pizza. Wow! Out of this world, guys. This pizza, it's lovely. Wow. Let's make sure it's not sticky just like that. Make sure, watch this. Once it moves a little bit, there we go, it moves. Now we're ready to go in the oven. There we go, a little faster. If the pizza is sticky, get a little bit of flour right here with the spatula, little bit, and you go around, or only where it's sticky. Let's move it. There we go. Now let's go in the oven. Phew. Let's go ahead and let's put it in the oven. One shot. Let's lower down the flame at the lowest temperature you can put. There we go, just like that, very low, and we are cooking. See, those are the plant that I put in the pizza before, the spicy. Now, let's wait that the pizza gets a little bit brown on that side, and we're ready to turn it. So we wait. Guys, it's very important that you cook the pizza really at the lowest temperature as possible. Nice. See? The crunches of the pizza? Outstanding. Take a look. Wow. Wow. So we cook it about 1 minute and a half, 2 minutes, this pizza. The pizza is about to be ready. The typical Bari style is a little bit black on the sides of the crust. So we have to cook it until it's a little bit black. On the sides, of course. That's the typical. One shot on top. Let's check out the bottom. Wow, I think the pizza is lovely. Ready. Yes. Yes. Bari style pizza. Take a look of the crust. That's what I'm talking about. Outstanding. Wow. That's what I'm talking about. This is Bari style. Smash that like if you think that this pizza it's outstanding. let me cut it and let me show you to you. Let's put the sausage. Wow! Let's put this on the side. Let's cut the pizza and listen to this. It's the crunchiness of Bari style. Reminds me of my city. Wow! And now, take a look how it holds. Fantastic, lovely, outstanding. Let's go ahead and let's taste this pizza. I can't wait. Wow, wow, and wow. Guys, I'm about to cry. The sweetness of the rapini, the sausage, the dough is so thin and crunchy. Amazing, guys. Just let me know. Tell me your thoughts in the comments. I'll see you at the next one. Ciao.